Pew pew. What's up, guys? Just a quick one for you here, man. I just wanted to say thank you to the 16 people that purchased Drone Worship shirts on my merchandise shelf on my channel, and I think like 3 coffee mugs were bought. I don't know who bought them. Nobody has said anything, but somebody purchased a number of shirts and mugs, and that's very supportive for me because I'm not working right now. So over the past week, I've been getting people buying merchandise, and that's incredible. So thank you. I just want to give a shout out to anybody who purchased Drone Worship merchandise. You guys are fantastic. You're awesome. You're amazing. Everybody that follows my channel that is supportive, whether you're watching or purchasing merchandise, you guys are keeping me moving forward, not just on YouTube, but in my personal life while I'm dealing with all these hospital, craziness and surgeries and all this kind of stuff. So I just wanted to stop and throw out a personal thank you to everybody who is involved in my channel and being supportive. You guys are absolutely amazing. So I'll catch you guys as soon as I come up with my next video here of what I'm going to do, and I have a little bit of time. I think tomorrow or the day after I have to put the starter in my truck. So hopefully that comes in pretty soon so I can do that. And then I can start meeting up with people and doing some more flying and having some more fun. So thank you for being awesome, guys. I'll catch you on the flip. Toodaloo.